Alright, so you want to make money online, but you realize that there is a small little problem here. You realize that you're totally broke. You don't have any money at all. So you're wondering, is there a way to make money online even if you're broke? Well, how about 4 free ways to get started to make money online even if you're broke? What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to share with you 4 free ways. I'm actually going to include even one more, so that will make it 5 with a bonus method I'm going to share with you that you can make money online for free even if you're totally new and you're totally broke. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, before we get started here today, make sure you pay attention, watch everything in detail here so you don't miss out on any important information on these 4 + 1, 5 actually free ways to make money online even if you're broke. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that you can have a closer look at when we have finished this video, of course. But for now, let's get started to have a closer look at these 4 + 1 free ways to make money online even if we're broke. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that we can do is we can go to a site like Rapid Workers and apply to do some micro tasks here, which are really super easy and doesn't require any experience at all. I mean, look at this for example. YouTube, vote for this video, 10 cents. You can make 12 cents for just following someone on Twitter. Insurance form, you just sign up and you make $1.50. For creating a Gmail account there is 13 cents and so on here. So these are really super easy tasks that you can do. Now, while there are more sites here, I just came up with Rapid Workers today. There are Pico Workers, there are Micro Workers, and of course we have Amazon, Turk, Mechanical Turk here also. So you can see here that you get paid for completing simple tasks here. Alright, you can tag objects, for example, classifying and identify objects found in satellite imagery. There are so many opportunities here that you can apply for, okay? So this could definitely be another option as well. But it's a great way to get started without any previous experience, and the other sites are pretty similar actually. So what you can do is just go and sign up to a few of these sites and get started with them. Alright, let's move on to another opportunity, and that is to become a tester. Become a tester if there is a new app launched or a new website. Big companies, they always want to test before they run it to the public, okay? I mean, if they have a new website with some new stuff on, they want to see if it is easy to find, if it is hard, they want to improve that. And the same goes for actually an app. So you can become a tester. I just going to show you here today test.io. You just go to the section where it says become a tester, and you can see here you can earn up to $50 for every issue you find. If you can't find any bugs, no problem, you can also be paid for rating apps there. And you work of course from the comfort of your home. You test the latest apps here. So basically it's really super easy. You just register, you start your first test, you receive your first payout, and you get more invitations of course. So definitely a good site, test.io. Another one very popular is also Testing Time. You go to the section where it says become a tester there also, and you can see here you test products at home via Skype. So they might want you to record that call, of course, via Skype, then they tell you what to do. And you can earn up to 50 euros. It is approximately around $60 here per hour. Okay, impact the products of tomorrow with your opinion. You are one of the first to test future products and you have the opportunity to improve them. So basically more or less what I told you earlier here. And if I just scroll down, you can see, you can have a look at the details for yourself. There is an FAQ if you are interested in that. So testingtime.com. Go ahead. Now there is definitely more sites here, but these two are probably the most popular ones. So get started at least with these two, and then you can move on to other sites there as well. Alright, how about taking surveys? That is another option, a very popular option I would say also, because they ask you questions and you answer. Works pretty much the same way as Become a Tester, but here they want feedback on something else, and they do that by asking questions. So pineconeresearch.com is the first one that came up to my mind here. And you can have a look at the details here for yourself. I'm not going to go and read here through the site. There's no need for me to do it. Another thing, you can actually go to surveysonthego.com, and this is actually an app. You can see here 3 in the last 2 weeks and $10 surveys. So definitely another great way to make money online with, okay? And this is actually an app, so you can do this from your phone. There is also SwagBox, very popular, a great way to make some extra money with. You can see here you earn points by shopping, watching videos, you search the web, answering surveys, and you find great deals to earn your points here. And of course, you can redeem your points for gift cards to your favorite retailers like Amazon and Walmart, or if you want and prefer, you can get cash back from PayPal. This is definitely one of the most popular sites, swagbox.com. You can see here the About section by just showing you around a little bit here. So have a look at it, swagbox.com. Definitely also a great free way to make money online with. Let's move on to something else, and that is to become any kind of freelancer. Here it totally depends on your knowledge actually. I mean, if you're good at graphics, you should definitely apply to become a freelancer for graphics, for example. If you have any knowledge in editing audio or video like I have, I would apply straight away to do this kind of freelance jobs here. Or you can actually do something really simple like data entry, for example. Okay, so I mean, this is also a very popular option that you can apply for, and you can see it starts with $4.75, but really there are no limits here. Just do your research, to be completely honest, because there are so many things that you can do. So don't limit yourself that you need any specific knowledge here, okay? You can apply for a lot of things, and if you want, you can actually do some services that you can outsource to someone else, so you can just be the middleman if you want to as well. Now there is more freelance sites, freelancer.com. There is also upwork.com. So by just typing here video, for example, you can see that there is tons of people here that make money with these opportunities here. Okay, here is their hourly rate, and it starts from $35 per hour up to $80 and so on. So if you have knowledge, for example, in video, you can definitely apply and create a profile. What I usually recommend actually as a freelancer is go and sign up to a few of these sites and go in on a daily basis, bid on projects, bid on them low in the beginning so you can get a good reputation, because if your customer will be satisfied, he will get back to you with something else. I can guarantee you that. It usually is that way, okay? So have a look at it. Upwork, we have freelancer.com and fiverr.com. Alright, let's move on to the final and the bonus opportunity. And that is to actually make money with affiliate marketing. It doesn't have to cost you anything. You can get started for free to do this, totally free actually. And there are two platforms that I usually recommend. The first one is ClickBank for digital products, and then we have Amazon for any kind of million products, I would say actually here, physical products and stuff that you can apply for as an affiliate. And really easy way to find here digital products. Probably one of the most, let's just take something for example here for diets, weight loss programs here. Okay, you can see here that there are so many products. Keto, which is also very popular right now. All you need to do is actually grab that link here, and you can actually get started to promote that link. Now it is a long and ugly link here, so you can use any kind of a shortener like bit.ly or something else here. I do have other videos on my channel about affiliate marketing. I have one for Amazon, I have one for ClickBank also. So have a closer look at them because I expand on this a lot more. Okay, so you're wondering how you can actually drive free traffic without any cost here. The first and the most important would be actually on the platform that we are on, and that is YouTube. Okay, I mean YouTube is the second largest search engine and people are searching for everything inside here. So you can do a review on the product, for example. The more specific the better, because people are searching, they want to see a review before they purchase anything. So just do a quick video there, upload it, the good, the bads. You don't have to be on the camera, just show a few pictures of the product, tell the good, the bads there, and of course make sure you have a call to action, like leaving a link in the description so they can check out the best price for it. Okay, the same goes for Amazon products here. By just I don't know, let's say for example that we have a quick look at this. Okay, if I just type Instant Pot Duo Mini QT7, if I go here for example, you can see that there is, look at this, there are people who already does this, and of course here is the link. So if I open this up,
in 1977 I met a French chef. He said to me, cooks.
Okay, that was an ad.
We're reviewing the Instant Pot Mini. This is the smallest Instant Pot at 3 quarts. There are 6 and 8 quart versions.
Okay, so you see here that this lady, she doesn't show her face. She don't want to be on the camera. She just reviewing here. Okay. No, she have purchased it, but you can find some material actually by just showing pictures and talk about the product. And here is her affiliate link. So if I click this link, I will be redirected to Amazon. And now when I purchase it, she will make a commission. There is also a good thing about Amazon, and that is if I purchase something else on the same order, which is very, very common actually, that we buy something else while we are already on Amazon, you will make a commission on that too. So that is it about affiliate marketing also. Alright, so there you have it, 4+1 free ways to make money online even if you're broke. Now, as I said, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below. If you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, make sure you check that out. If you liked what you saw here, I really appreciate if you smash that like button below. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell also, so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation at my end screen here. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.